Him probably a mad over there now. But that boy, they love me like cook food, I swear. Hi guys, it's your girl Mikayla and I am back with another video today. Now this video will be like kind of different than what I'm like used to doing on my channel. Some of you guys have been watching my Jamaica vlogs and you know that I do have a boyfriend in Jamaica, and I decided to just do like a little prank on him. I want to do the lyric prank on him. So if you guys don't know, basically you just get any song, you send your significant other or your boyfriend or your crush or anyone the lyrics to the song, and then like see how it plays out. Basically the song that I'm going to be pranking my boyfriend with is called Gotta Go My Own Way by Gabriella and Troy. If you guys don't know, it's from High School Musical 2. I love it. Since I was like younger, like I've always just like loved that song. I don't know, I really got in like my feelings, and like I really thought I was Gabriella breaking up with Troy by the poolside. So yeah, I'm gonna use that song to break up with him, and yeah, it's perfect because you know it's an American song. I'm pretty sure he does not know it, so yeah, it'll definitely be good. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, he's online. Perfect. I'm gonna be like, so she says Troy listen, so I'm gonna be like, babes listen, I gotta say what's on my mind. I gotta say what's on my mind. He usually responds fast. I don't know, let's see if he sees it. He says online. Come on. Guys, I'm like nervous, like I don't know what to expect, and like I feel like he's just gonna like call me. I really don't know what to like say now, like while I'm like waiting on him to. Oh, he said what is it? Okay, I'm gonna be like, something about us doesn't seem right these days. Something about us doesn't seem right these days. I really love this song. You know, then I'm gonna be like, life keeps getting in the way. Whenever we try, somehow the plans always real. Oh, he said why? Something about us doesn't seem right. Now, if I like say what comes next, then like it's not gonna really make sense to him probably. But anyways, what did I say? Something about us doesn't seem right these days. He's calling me. I'm just gonna tell him I don't want to talk on the phone. I wanna text. So I'm gonna say that to him. And then something about us doesn't seem right these days. So he said why, so then I'm gonna say life keeps getting in the way. Life keeps getting in life keeps getting in the way. He said what is wrong now? Okay, life keeps getting in the way. Whenever we try, somehow the plan is always rearranged. He said don't understand this. I'm gonna say it's so hard to say. Okay, he said why? Okay, he said why? Say it. But I gotta do what's best for me. I'm just gonna say I gotta do what's best for me. I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. And then we're gonna get into the chorus because I just love the chorus. You know, she's like, guys, I cannot sing, but she's like, I've got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. Oh my god, guys, I wish I could sing. I wouldn't like stop at all. All right, B, I said I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. Okay, he's typing. And that is, he said, and that is. So I'm gonna say, I've got to move on and be who I am. I've got to move on and be who I am. So where this come from? I'm gonna be like, I just don't belong here. I just don't belong here. He said, why? I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. I'm gonna say, okay, we might find a place in this world. He's calling me! And then I'm gonna text him and say, don't call me. I just want to text. Don't call me. I just wanna text. And probably I'm mad over there now. Oh God, I shouldn't be laughing. Cause like he's like so sensitive or whatever. Oh God. I hope he's not like going crazy or whatever. Yo, that boy that let me like cook food, I swear. He's like, can I call Granny? He wants to call my grandmother. Can I call Granny? No, this is between us. This is between us. So what Granny I got to know? Damn it. I should have put her in on it too, huh? I was like, no, this is between us. He was like, am I dreaming? No, this is reality. Okay, I gotta get back to the lyrics. I don't wanna leave it all behind, but I always get my hopes up. And then he said, what behind? See, that's what I mean, like, ugh. But I always get my hopes up and watch them fall every time. I'm leaving today because I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. It's like I need someone to talk to. You're talking to me. You're talking to me. I'm not leaving to go anywhere. I'm leaving you today. I just don't belong with you. I hope you understand. I just don't belong with you. I hope you understand. Guys, should I end it? He's calling again. He not understand that I said I don't want to talk on the phone. I just want to text. Like, why is he calling me? Just text me how you feeling. Are you crying? Wow. Guys, so like instead of calling me on WhatsApp, he just like called me straight or whatever. Like that's gonna make me answer the phone. What did I do for all of this? Aww. BFZ, I did nothing. It's a prank. Oh God, I feel bad. I gotta leave, but I'll miss you. You know, I never wanted to hurt you. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because yes. Guys, how do I look? Do you like my makeup? Can you guys believe that since this year has started, it's like my first time like putting on makeup? Like that's crazy. Like yeah, unless when I was in Jamaica, because like I was in Jamaica for like just the first couple days of January, but like otherwise from that, like this is like my first time putting on like makeup, like full face. Yes. Do you have to say? I think he meant to say I love you, hun. Should I be like, so is it okay if I leave you? So are you okay with me leaving you? He said no, but I just can't talk now. Oh. Why can't you talk? Why can't you talk? What did I really do? I'd be like, babes, you didn't do nothing. It was me. Babes, you didn't do anything. It was me. I just don't know where to start. Okay guys, I'm just gonna video call him. Oh, I think he could still screen record. V? V? V, smile. Fix your face.
player.
Oh God. V, say hi to the camera. Say hi to YouTube. Me need to stop.
B, look pretty.
Me know. So what did you think? Did you think I was like being serious or what?
Jesus Christ, B.
I'm still recording. So talk. Huh?
When I skip deep, when I tell me I get panic, I say, I want if I sleep, I sleep.
You guys hear that?
I want if I lose my head, I say, but me not have nobody we can talk about this.
Aww.
What is really happening?
So did I get mad for a while?
B, I'm your California boy, you're not.
Yeah, because I had to screen record like a text messages them and stuff, and when you call it now got something there. But yeah. So you think I got you good?
B?
What?
B?
What? Huh?
Let's try it again.
Let's try it again.
Don't
Wait a second. Oh guys, he said it's the second time because on April Fools, I just texted him. What did I say? It done?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? But like something like that. I just said, "Oh, Biebs, it done," and then it went on for like what, probably like an hour. I didn't like answer his calls, and then I just pranked him or joked around or whatever. But I think this one is more serious. This one was more than the last one, don't?
Yeah, it was tense.
Yeah, but you know, it's the thing. This isn't me. I want a song.
What?
It's a song. So it's like a video where like, you know, couples will send like a lyrics.
Yeah, but actually, right time mind them to call Granny.
Call Granny. What Granny I gonna do? So but if me want left you, if me did want to leave you, Granny could have stopped me front left?
No, I don't mean stop, but like explain to me what went wrong.
But how would she know what went wrong? But oh guys.
What?
How would she know what would have go wrong?
Yeah, but maybe somebody that you that actually say something to Granny the best friend, so.
Okay. You want to say something to the people then?
No, not at the moment.
No? He's lost for words. He said he don't want to say anything or whatever.
Like seriously, you really actually get made like that?
Yeah. Okay, B, I'm gonna hang up for like 5 minutes so I could just close out the video and then I'll call you back, okay? Alright. So guys, this prank was like, I think it was like really good. He didn't have no idea what was going on. I don't know if you guys could hear him on the phone or whatever, but yeah, basically he was saying like, oh, he was like getting like paranoid and like thinking if it was like this was real, was he dreaming? He wanted to like call my grandmother. I mean, I don't know what she would have done if like I wanted to like break up with him or whatever. But yeah, I think I did good. What do you guys think? Please let me know how I did if you liked the video. So yeah, this is all for today's video. I love you guys so much. Can you please like, comment, and subscribe? It'll really help me out a lot because I just want to grow a fan base and like I just want to interact with you guys, you know what I'm saying? So please comment down below, tell me what you liked about this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.